What are you doing May 2nd and 3rd? If you're a presenter, a Toastmaster, a public speaker in the UK, you simply must join us online for the Toastmasters District 91 online conference. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. In 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. I've been invited to teach you how to be unforgettable. Join me as part of this bigger conference. Go check out the link below. But join me for part of this conference where I'm going to teach you how to be unforgettable. I had coaches who showed me the way. After 7 years trying to figure it out on my own, I just couldn't get it. But when my coaches showed me specifically what I could do strategically to take my message and plant it in the hearts and the minds of my audience, everything changed. So join me to get 3 secrets on how to be unforgettable. See you online May 2nd and 3rd. Join us.